Hello everyone. We have a very interesting and practical topic to discuss: what to do with kitchen leftovers. It might seem like a small issue, but this can help us save money and protect the environment at the same time. First of all, we all experience this: cooking and ending up with leftovers like vegetable peels, fruit rinds, eggshells, or food scraps that we don't know what to do with. Sometimes we just throw them away. But if we know how to repurpose these leftovers, we can reduce waste and help the environment. Let's start with vegetable and fruit peels. These peels can be composted. Collect them in a bin or container with a lid, add some dried leaves or unused paper, and let them decompose. This will turn into compost that we can use for our garden or potted plants. Not only does this reduce waste, but it also helps our plants grow better. Another interesting idea is to make natural cleaning agents from fruit peels. For example, you can soak orange, lemon, or pineapple peels in vinegar for 2 to 3 weeks, then strain the liquid and use it to clean surfaces in your kitchen. These natural cleaners have great antibacterial properties and leave a fresh scent. For food scraps left over from cooking, like meat trimmings or extra vegetables, we can make broth or stock. It's very easy. Just collect the scraps in a pot, add water, and let it simmer. Then strain out the solids, and you have a delicious broth to use in future meals. This not only reduces waste but also adds rich flavor to our dishes. Eggshells are another item we can repurpose. They are high in calcium and can be ground into a powder and sprinkled into plant pots to enrich the soil. This makes our plants stronger. Alternatively, we can mix the powdered eggshells into animal feed to boost their calcium intake. If you have leftover potato peels, you can fry them into a tasty snack. Just wash and dry the peels, then fry them in oil until crispy. Sprinkle a bit of salt, and you have a delicious treat that uses up the peels you might otherwise throw away. Another idea is to use kitchen leftovers for craft projects or home decorations. For instance, you can turn old milk cans into plant pots, use empty glass bottles to make lamps, or create picture frames from popsicle sticks. Crafting with leftovers not only reduces waste but also provides a fun and creative activity to do with family and friends. Repurposing kitchen leftovers not only helps reduce waste and protect the environment but also saves money and adds creativity to our lives. Starting with these small changes in our daily routine might seem minor, but if everyone does it, the collective impact on our environment and community will be significant. So, think about what you can do with the kitchen leftovers you have and try incorporating these ideas into your daily life. Thank you all for listening, and see you next time on our channel.